In this video, let me show you how to use Google VO2 for free. So watch and pay attention for a free AI video generator. First, open your Google browser on your mobile device. Click on the search bar and copy this link. Paste it on the blank space. Now you are inside on the Google VO2. This will take you to the image and video generation section. Since we want to generate a video, click on Video tab. Here you can select the aspect ratio for your video and also set how many seconds long it should be. Then you need to enter a prompt. You can use ChatGPT to create your image prompt and paste it here. Just copy what I write or create your own description. After that, click the Run button. Within 3 to 6 seconds, your video will be generated and ready. You can then click on the download section to save your video. You'll see it's in 4K quality with no watermark and looks completely professional. Thanks for tuning in to How to Doctor. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.